Hey guys, it's me, Issaplease, and I am going to show you my morning skincare routine. And this video is sponsored by VinFusion, an independent distributor of Kiani products such as this Fluoresce Skincare System Serum. So the first thing that I do as soon as I step out of the shower is wash my face with some clean and clear cleanser. It's the first step to removing any dirt that's been on my face from the night before, and I make sure to remove the dirt thoroughly with a silicone facial scrub. Once my face is dry, I'll wipe some Yves Rocher micellar toner all over my face, which also removes any leftover dirt and makeup I still have on my skin. I like to use one side of the cotton pad on one side of my face. Then I'll flip it over for the other side of my face, just to make sure that I'm not adding any dirt to that side. That's actually something I learned at a skincare workshop that I attended a few months ago. I also like to clean my neck, because why not, right? Because this video is sponsored, allow me to tell you guys a little bit about it. This serum has been scientifically engineered using the latest technologies, which harnesses the power of plant stem cells and other naturally occurring botanicals. This is to hydrate, nourish, and regenerate to reveal bright, more youthful looking skin. All you need to do is apply one sample pouch in the morning and another at night to clean skin, and then smoothen it evenly all over your face and neck. Next, you want to allow a few minutes for absorption before applying any other products or makeup. I noticed a slight glow in my skin after applying it, and if you want to try out this product for yourself, I'll leave some information in the description box below. Moving on to eye cream. I learned at a skincare workshop that you want to lightly apply eye cream using 3 fingers in a swiping motion. And as much as possible, you only want to do it once, as to not stretch out the skin. I haven't perfected the motion yet, but at least I'm trying to do that here. And then of course you want to massage your temples. It's super relaxing. I didn't quite understand what emulsions or any of these products were at first, but according to my research, emulsions are lighter forms of creams or lotions, so it's more suitable for people with sensitive skin. If you have ultra thin and sensitive skin, it's best that you use an emulsion, which is less likely to irritate your skin or clog your pores. We're almost done, guys. When I'm done with all my serums and whatnot, I like to lock everything in with a moisturizer, which you've probably already seen in most of my videos already. And to top everything off, I then add some Pond's Day Cream, which basically protects me from skin damage brought by UV rays, pollution, environmental stresses, and makeup. It also prevents my skin from burning and photoaging to make my skin look energized and firm. So that's basically my daytime skin routine. I want to say thank you again to VinFusion for sponsoring this video. If you want to find out more about Kiani, their products, and more, you can check out vinfusion.kiani.com, gofusion.com, or issaplease.com. And this has been the video. Let me know if you liked it and if you want to see my nighttime skin routine or whatever videos you want to see on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media accounts. Till next time, bye!